Welcome back, guys. In this episode I want to tell you what my 37th item is, but before I tell you what it is or show you what it is, so I got a lift on it, changed my control arms, basically manipulate my suspension system with the track bar and everything. I also noticed that my steering wheel stabilizer, it was stock, and this is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. I bought it in 2024, and I was assuming that the stabilizer itself is 4 years old basically, and I figured I might as well replace it, change it. So my 37th item is the steering wheel stabilizer by Rough Country. There it is, 37th items, Rough Country steering stabilizer. It's basically a basic one, standard one. In the future, if I get bigger tires, wheels, or anything else, my suspension, I'm thinking about getting dual stabilizers. So, but as of now, it's just single basic stabilizer, steering wheel stabilizer. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time, peace.